Brush your teeth. Good morning, my dear kids. When the morning comes, the alarm rings, and the beautiful sun rises. The first thing we need to do is brush our teeth. All kids should brush their teeth in the morning to clean away the germs and dirt that gathered in their mouth during the night. This makes your mouth fresh and clean. Look over here. The little monkey is brushing his teeth early in the morning. Look at Miss Fox. She's brushing her teeth so nicely. First, kids should carefully put toothpaste on their toothbrush. Then, they should brush their teeth up and down and in little circles. The back teeth and behind the teeth are very important too. Don't forget to brush your tongue as well. At the end, take a little water in your mouth and swish it around to clean everything out. Look how pretty and white that little girl's teeth are. But if you don't like brushing or don't do it every day, your nice teeth can quickly turn black and get ruined. And with toothaches, it's hard to enjoy food and yummy sweets. Brushing your teeth helps them last longer and stay beautiful. We can have a fresh mouth and happy teeth all day long. Everyone should brush their teeth, kids and grown-ups too. And don't forget to brush at night before bed. Because during the day, food gets stuck between our teeth. But when we brush at night, all the dirt goes away. And germs can't hurt our teeth while we sleep. That way, we can sleep peacefully and happily. Today, the toothbrush and toothpaste helped our teeth a lot. Don't forget to brush your teeth, kids.